Hi, so I'm trying to get over this all or nothing attitude when it comes to creating videos or just simply showing my face online. And get it through my head that I don't have to have like a full complete face of makeup on or be feeling like really into myself that day to be able to make a video. It is more than okay to show more authentic sides of myself, like my bare skin. So here we are. Oh my gosh, my dog is here. Hi, hi, come here. Oh my goodness, so you just wanted to say hello to everybody, didn't you? You just wanted to say hello? That's it. She just wanted to make a cameo and say hello. Okay. Okay. You said it. You said hello. So that's not actually what today's video is about. I wanted to tell you about a friend that needs some of our help. You may know her. Her name is Jade. She is the owner of a small shop called JadedGemShop. She sells craft supplies, mainly focusing on diamond painting. So if you are at all in the diamond painting community, which chances are if you follow me, then you are, because that's what my shop is also very similar to. You will know JadedGemShop, or at least have heard of her. Jade also has a YouTube channel where she shares behind the scenes and just hangs out and shares about her life. So if you guys want to check her out, I will have her link in the description. Anyways, she needs our help. So she and her husband are building a house themselves, to my knowledge, which is super dope. She calls it the tiny house. And they have been using this space to house some JadedGemShop inventory and supplies and items because, you know, FYI, there's a lot of just pure stuff that goes into running a business. So they have kind of used this space to kind of put some of the business stuff into for now. They are in California, and unfortunately, California has had some really bad weather and some really bad flooding, and the house flooded. Oh my God, devastation. My heart goes out to her. I love Jade. She is fantastic. She's actually the person who spurred me on in a couple of things in my life recently. She is the one who encouraged me to get off of Etsy and get onto my own website. I really never had the courage or felt like I had the legs to stand on to have my own separate website, but she just kind of like pushed me to do it in a way. And I'm like forever grateful for that because it's so much better now. And she is the one who helped me and encouraged me in starting Munimade's diamond painting line. That is what her shop does. She sells craft supplies and other goodies with a large focus on diamond painting. She is partnered with some incredible artists all around the world, and she, just like me, is very passionate about supporting these artists, getting them paid for their work, and just like cheering them on. And so I love that. I feel like her values in how she runs her business and the things that she is passionate about really aligns with mine. And so we are just like fast friends, natural friends. And she has been like a great friend and support to me in this crazy world of business and owning a business. Of course, I really want to help her out. What she needs from us is she just simply needs you to share her shop and check out what she has to offer and see if there's anything you might like to purchase, whether for yourself or as a gift, because to my knowledge, she has thousands of dollars in losses that need to be recovered. One of those things I know is like her computer and her printers. That is essential to running a business, and it's really hard to take a hit like that all at once. So I don't know how much of her actual inventory was lost because she does like a lot of made to order things, but I know she did lose a lot of her just kind of random inventory and just a lot of her equipment. That just freaking sucks. And I would hope that if something like that were to happen to me, that people would have my back. And so you bet your bottom booty that I'm gonna have her back. And I hope that people that follow me would also try to have a fellow crafter's back as well, because we wanna see small businesses thrive and we wanna see people who are good people that we like continue on in chasing their dreams. I don't know, it's just as simple as that. She has a sale going on right now. I will put the details on screen. To my knowledge, it's 20% off a lot of her diamond painting kits. So now is the time, if you have ever looked at JadedGemShop and maybe you couldn't swing it at the time, or you know, whatever, for whatever reason, you just passed it up, now is a great time to partake in that sale and also support someone who needs help getting out of quite a hole. So we love you, Jade. We're here to back you up and support you in any way that we can. And we really hope that you can get all of this resolved and get back on track with your business better than ever, right? I actually have a JadedGemShop kit that has been sitting in my closet for a little bit now because homegirl is busy. Life has been crazy. I have been very, very sick. That's why my absence has been like prominent on this YouTube channel. I am pregnant. I am 23 weeks now, a few days out from 24 weeks. So I'm getting there, and I'm one of the very, very incredibly lucky women that has been sick my entire pregnancy. My nausea and all day sickness has persisted the entire time, not just in the first trimester. So I'm just having so much fun with life right now. So here it is. It came wrapped up and protected. And let's just get into it, I guess. There is a box inside of here. The outer plastic is just to protect it via shipping. But here's the inside box. So it is plain white, but it is plastic wrapped. We have this cute little sticker on there that does have her logo, JadedGemShop, on it. I'm sorry if my belly like sticks into frame at all. I am pregnant, so that could happen. And nicely on the end here, we have a picture of the kit. So if you want to store this away on a shelf or in your closet, you can easily identify what kit it is, which is super cool. So I do like that. I know a lot of people do like kits being individually boxed. I've had that complaint a couple of times with my kits that they're not individually boxed, and I totally get it, but it's just an expense that the size of my business is not able to take on right now. So hopefully that's okay. We do have bags though. Still try to be unique and have something to protect your paintings. Honestly, I don't store my diamond paintings in the boxes because I just don't have the luxury of having that kind of space. I've got to get rid of the boxes, and I break my paintings down normally and put them in a large portfolio flat under my bed, and then I store the drills like in a bin separately. That's just how I've been able to fit all this stuff. So here's a little preview of the image I got. It is one of her very popular ones, I believe, one of the best sellers. And let's see what's inside. We got some green washi tape, which is on brand for JadedGemShop. She does have a lot of like green vibes. And here is the kit. You'll notice right away that the coloring is pretty unique on the canvas. And that is because it kind of has like a photo negative effect. And when you fill in the drills, it kind of just, I don't know how to explain it. It like colors it in. It's really cool. I really do like that, and it's very unique to Jade's canvases. Now, per usual, I can't ever fit these giant canvases all on camera in one shot, but I'll include a picture to show the whole thing together. This is just to give you an idea as I roll it out. First impressions. I love the quality, and I can already tell that this is like some really nice thick plastic, which I like. Holy drills, holy drills. We got so many drills. Here's the color vibes we're looking at. Lots of neutrals and pastels and pink colors, which is beautiful. And I feel like this is a perfect kit for springtime. Here is the listing for this specific kit that I got. It's called Heaven's Parade. This is actually a half crop that is 60 by 80 centimeters. And features one fairy. You can get like different crops of this same artwork. I chose to get it in square resin drills, and the current price for it, it's on sale right now, is $104.99. I know this is a little bit on the expensive side, but with JadedGemShop, everything is customizable. You can choose your crop, you can choose your size, you can choose round or square, you can choose if you add A/B drills. And so because of that, and everything's made to order, you get that kind of higher price. But to me, I think it's worth it because you get to really customize your kit to you and what you want. And here is the beautiful beautiful artwork. Oh my gosh. So this is called Heaven's Parade. This is by the artist named Carla Rodriguez, who goes by Dolly Toil. Probably not saying it right, or Doily Toily, Dolly Toil. It's okay. It has doll in the name because I'm sure she's an absolute doll, right? What is this? Is this release papers? I think this is, yeah, I think this is release papers. Interesting. Is that actually what this is? I'm not tripping. So Jade's kits don't come with toolkits automatically, but you can get toolkits if you just opt for it on the website. This is just because a lot of her customers are, yeah, these are release papers. They're kind of like wax papers. A lot of her customers are already kind of big into the hobby and probably have more than enough basic toolkits. So here is the beautiful art. It's really hard for you guys to see how beautiful she is because of the photo negative effect on the picture, but I will insert like the actual image so you guys can have something to compare it to. So it's beautiful. It's of this beautiful fairy, and she has blue hair, and she's got flowers in her hair, and she's got wings behind her, and there are butterflies throughout. There's this one big butterfly right here that is just gorgeous, just asking to be filled in, and there's another pretty one right here. And this overall is just like a super duper stunning artwork. Like, I just love it. It's heavenly. This has 49 colors. Kind of an interesting thing about Jade kits is like the color chart is on the bottom here, which I think is really interesting. And her kits have this green border around it. That's what identifies a JadedGemShop kit. When you see a kit with this green border, it's probably JadedGemShop. It's kind of like her signature look of her canvases. On the top right, we have some socials for Jade. We have her Instagram, her YouTube channel, and the link to her website. And then over here, of course, is the information for the artist and the licensing. She pays her artists. We love that. You know that I am really not a fan of purchasing diamond painting kits where the artist has not been properly compensated. Like, how would you feel if your art was stolen and then profited off of? That would stink so bad. So here is the sticker sheet. The labels are pre-cut, which is incredible. And we do have an image here. So this kind of gives you a better idea of what she looks like. Beautiful, just heavenly. Like, honestly, that's what it looks like. It just looks very heavenly and gorgeous, and I just love it. It puts me in the mood for spring, which I am so ready for. This winter has been a rough one, so I am so ready for that. As far as the drills, they are in these like baggies. Interesting. And they are pre-sealed. I'm dropping stuff. The drills look to be incredible quality. I wouldn't expect anything less. Oh, they're like cut apart too. How interesting. I'm never gonna get these back in the bag. I'm just never going to. Never. Yeah, the drills look to be incredible quality. As you can see, I'm not seeing any ABs in this kit. That might have been an additional option that I just didn't go for because, you know, money. I'm not sure. But these are fabulous. I just love the color palette. It makes me feel good, makes me feel happy, makes me feel good. And I do store my drills separate than my canvases usually, so these aren't labeled in any way that I can understand. Maybe the SKU matches. I don't see a SKU number. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. GJZ-121-6080. So yes, this bottom number right here is the SKU number. So if you, like me, store your drills separately, you can match them and identify what canvas they go with, or you can just slap a label on yourself and label it before you put it away. That's also an entirely valid option. So, beautiful kit, beautiful artwork, and let me just tell you, she has some other really incredible art from this same artist if you like these kind of vibes. And she has like a really large selection of art. So the way that Jade's business is structured is a little bit different than mine. It has a lot of made to order things, so she is able to have a lot of different artwork available. And then if you place an order for that artwork, you can choose a lot of different things. Like most of her kits, you can choose round or square. You can choose the size. You can choose the crop of it. Like, do you want, like for example, this artwork had multiple fairies in it, and I chose to have it cropped to this specific fairy, but you can have different crops of it. So it's very customizable because of the structure of her business, which is really cool. The one caveat is you are going to have to wait significantly longer to get your order. But you just have to understand that if you want something custom to you that you get to pick out, that's really cool, then it's going to take more time. Like you just kind of have to, you know, that's the way it is. That's the way the cookie crumbles, because if you pick out all these custom things, then she's got to go make that for you. Does that make sense? So that's what's really cool and unique about her shop, that I just love. And she has so much art available and a lot of artists that are really talented. So check her out. Many different styles. If this isn't your style, please just go and look what art she has available, because chances are there will be something that is of interest to you, because there's just so much. There's just so much on there. Jade is on fire. She's doing a great job with her business, and I'm so glad to be able to support her and purchase this kit, and hopefully making this like simple little video here on a Monday afternoon will also encourage you guys to go support her business, because she does need the help and the love and the encouragement right now to get things back going again and kind of recover from her losses. I appreciate you guys watching so much. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know the bulk of my content as of lately on my channel has just been like diamond painting unboxings, but I do have plans to do more stuff, but it's like so hard because I don't know what I'm doing a lot of the times. Like, what am I doing? I don't know. I'm just trying to survive, yet alone thrive, but we're trying to get to the thriving part and just see where it takes us. But hopefully you crafty goddesses enjoy this. It just looks so cool, and I can't wait to work on it someday when I get the time, because I'm just about to have so much free time with a newborn. Like, it's just, I'm just not even gonna know what to do with myself. I'm gonna have so much freaking free time, right? That's how it goes, right? But when you actually watch this start to be filled in and come to life, it's almost like a coloring page. I don't know, how exciting. So cool, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Please subscribe if you like random and unpredictable YouTube channels. And, you know, check out all of Jade's information in the description below, and let me know if you purchased something and what you got, and we can get excited about these things together. So I hope you guys have a great day. Hopefully you're enjoying the end of winter and the snow is melting and going away, and we're all coming out of our seasonal blues, and we are about to live our best spring life. That is what I'm manifesting and I'm putting out into the universe. This spring is going to be full of goodness and crafting for me, I hope. And I hope that I can enjoy the last little bit of my pregnancy a little bit more. As you can tell, I'm a little like winded. I don't know what that's about. I always am. But here's the baby growing all nicely inside. So yeah, exciting things happening. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.